Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming access and choosing the workbook you'll transform. Once signed into Microsoft 365, make sure Copilot is enabled in your account. Open the file that contains raw data and keep that sheet unchanged as a source of truth. Then open the Copilot pane and allow it to access the document. This step lets Copilot read ranges so it can suggest formulas and summaries. Now type a clear first prompt describing the outcome you want. For example, summarize sales by region. Once Copilot can see your data, tell it exactly what to do. Specify ranges, columns, and the calculation type. Ask for a pivot table grouped by region or request a dynamic formula for running totals. Copilot will propose formulas and build preview visuals. Make sure to inspect cell references and named ranges because small mismatches cause errors. If a suggestion is off, ask for alternates or refine the prompt with boundary rows or aggregation rules. Iterate until outputs match your intent, then lock those changes. Now verify everything. Run spot checks by comparing a few rows manually and use Excel's evaluate formula to trace generated expressions. Once satisfied, save a version copy and record the Copilot prompt so you can reproduce the workflow. If you need to share, export to PDF or share the workbook with viewer/edit permissions. If something goes wrong, first check data types and named ranges, then ask Copilot to explain the formula step by step. This often reveals a misaligned reference or missing header.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.